Hello friends, welcome back. And in the previous video, we have seen that how we can develop our own Windows service. So this is the code, and this code I will provide to you. I will provide the URL, and you can just check out that code from the GitHub repository. So let me show you a few things. So here is my repository. This is a public repository. I will share the URL with you to just clone the code. So I will share this particular URL. You can see it here. And this particular URL will be there in the description section. You can copy this URL, and then what you have to do, you simply have to open the command prompt. And after opening the command prompt, you just need to do two things. Suppose I am in a folder Vikash, which is my code project, and then code socket, something like this. And then I just need to do git clone. This is the command that you need to run, git clone, and after that you just need to paste it, and after that you need to run it. Once you run it, it will be just cloning all the code. So all the code has been cloned on your local repository. Now you can open the code, the solution, just like this, and you can compile your own, and you can create the exe on your own. Okay, so you have to have two things on your system. One is GitHub desktop, using which you can see graphically. It is a graphical user interface for exploring the repositories. And the other one is Git Bash. This thing you need to install. So you need to basically install the Git. So Git Bash you will get along with the Git. Okay. So if you have the Git, then you will be able to run this command git clone. Otherwise, you won't be able to run this command. So please install Git on your system and then run this command git clone. And then whatever URL I have provided to you, you need to just give that URL, and everything will be cloned here. So this is how you can clone your code. Now let me show you. This is the code that I have written, and now I'm just going to compile it and build it. So I'm just rebuilding it. So everything has been built, and you can see that my exe should have been created in one of the bin folders. So let me open this. So if I come out of this, and if I see x64 and then inside this debug, then I can see this Windows service.exe. Now this Windows service.exe file will be the input file for the service control manager, using which it will be running this service, the Windows service. So let me just copy this entire path, and I have written the command already. So this is the command here where the path has been given. So let me just write the complete path here. So basically I need to just give the path like this: / / then I need, okay, this is wrong. So / then the / anywhere where I have written the backslash, it should be / and then it is / then again it is / then after debug as well it should be /, and I need to put it in double quotes because there are spaces in the path, so I need to put it into the double quotes. And this is the complete command. SC stands for service create. Okay, and after that you need to give the machine name, your machine name where you are installing this service. So it is my own local machine, so it is localhost / localhost, and then I will run this command create, then the service name. I want to give this name. You can give any name which you want. So I just want to create my service with this name, real-time update service. Then I have given the binPath, which is the path to my binary, which is the binary Windows service.exe. So this is the path to the binary using which the service will be executing. So SC stands for service create. This is the command which is interacting with the service control manager to give it a message that yes, I want to create one service. I want to install one service. So let me install this service. So I will just run it from here only, CLS, and then let me just paste it here. So SC service create / localhost create then the service name, then the bin path, which is the complete path to my exe. Now let me run it. Okay, why this is failing? Let me close other things. I think this path it is not able to recognize. Okay, because this path has complete um, path with spaces. So let me put this somewhere else. Let me put the exe wherever the exe is. Let me put that exe somewhere else. So Windows service.exe, let me put it Control C, and then let me come to some path. It's like Vikash, and then inside this I created one folder code socket. So let me put it here. So let me see what happens if I give the path like code socket, because there is no space now. So let me, oh, okay. Let me tell you one more thing. I have opened this command prompt in the user mode. Services you can interact with in the, administrative mode. So you need to open the command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. Okay, so run this as administrator, and now run the same command which I executed. So this same command I will run here. Now let us see what happens. Okay. Okay, this is successfully created. Service, create service success. Service has been created successfully because I have just used the administrative command prompt. So you need to remember this point that you need to open the command prompt in the administrative mode. And this is the command to create the service. I will provide this particular command in the description section. Okay, so now let's come to these services. Open the services.emsc and then just search for real-time update service. Here you go. There is the service. Now if you right click on it and if you click run, here you go. It is running. Okay. So this particular service is now running. And this is until you send the stop command, it will not be stopped. So once you send the stop command, I have already told you that once you send the stop command, you will be able to see this particular piece of code. Your control will come here and it will just do like it will just call this thing, set service status. It will call. Okay, and then after setting calling the set service status, it will set event. It will do the set event, and set event will simply just complete this particular wait for single object, this particular thread. It will be completed now. It will be ended now. Once it will be ended, your service will stop. Okay, so there it will stop, right? So you have stop pending, and then after this you could see that here the service has been stopped because the thread was just before this. Okay, this thread was created, service worker thread, and this program was waiting on this thread to complete. Since your thread is completed, once you receive the command to stop the service, and that's why the service will stop after this one. Set service status, and after that the service will stop. So I hope you can go through the entire code again and you can just see like how it can be used and how your service comes to an end, how it not to end, how your service starts, how your service stops. So with the help of this piece of code, you can place some kind of mechanism here to track like what is happening. So in the next video, I will show you that how you can actually track like what your service is doing, what all it has performed. So we will do the instrumentation that I have discussed with you, that I'm going to discuss in the next video. So if at some point of time your service stops unexpected, then you will be able to know that when it was stopped. So we are going to track every activity by putting the instrumentation here, and after that I will show you that how you can simply debug your service, right? If you want to see how you can debug your service, then also I will show you that thing, that how the service is debugged, how you can put the breakpoint. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Just check out the code on your system. In the next video, we will see two things. One is instrumentation, and the other thing is like how you can see the service can be debugged. So in the next video, we are going to see that. So till then, have a nice day and bye-bye. Please like, subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.